Hey guys, Dimitri with you today. Last night I was working on my friend's 2004 Honda Accord V6. It had a bunch of codes for the misfire. Uh, I'm going to post those, I guess, later on. But it's a misfire code. I think it's P0300, P03 01, 02, 03, 06. It depends on the cylinder. And we got a couple different opinions. One was the EGR valve not working properly, and the other one is ignition coil. It has individual ignition coils on it for each cylinder. So the basically it ended up we took off the EGR valve and cleaned it first, but it didn't help. So when one of the cylinders is misfiring, it is throwing a code for different cylinders. Even it was a cylinder, I think it was a cylinder 4. If I'm not mistaken, you throw the codes for whatever, for everything 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, anything. So it ended up with just change one coil, um, and it just took care of that problem. How you do it, basically, I mean, how we did it and how you will do it, uh, and solve that problem. You need to disconnect the connector. So you start your vehicle and you start disconnecting one connector at a time. And when your RPMs are dropping, after you disconnect one, if it drops, you connect it back because it's not the coil that you need that is defective and bad. So you disconnect one by one. You disconnect it, the RPMs drop, you connect it back. You disconnect next one. If the RPMs are still the same, that's the bad one because it doesn't affect your uh, engine. It's still misfiring the same way. So that's how you eliminate the good ones and you find the bad one. Take off the connector, RPMs drop, put it back. It's not the right one. You disconnect and RPMs are still the same, that's the bad one. You replace that coil and everything will be alright. And again, it's misfire. Whatever misfire you have, it doesn't really matter on which cylinder. So for us, EGR, cleaning EGR didn't help, but the coil helped. Alright, see you guys.